여름은 다 가는데 아직까지만은 넌 왜 어디 가도 따라와 너 이제 나도 알아 너 Oh baby 내가 너한테 잘못했단 말은 사실 내 진심이 아니었고 세 번째 여름이 갔더라 나는 우리 바바바바바바 눈치도 못했을까 왜 많이 아플까 봐 아직도 너 바람만 봐도 나가져 가져 far away 이젠 놔줘요 나를 babe 미안했어요 매일매일 여름마에까지 데려가 babe 제발 나가줘 far away 이젠 놔줘요 나를 babe 미안했어요 매일매일 여름마에까지 데려가 babe 오랜만에 찾아온 네 인스타에 내려가 Still down 이때도 느껴져 내 마음이 거기서 떠니 가슴이 익숙해졌어 내가 너한테 잘못했다면 사실 내 진심이 아니었고 세 번째 여름이 갔다 나는
I'm about to start this painting, which is my last painting for my art class. As you can see, I didn't really do much during class. So yeah, instead of starting from the flower in the middle, I think I'm just gonna start with the background first, and I think that will be easier for me. So I just made this to help blend these out to make like this blurry effect, and it's working so well. I'm very happy with it. Also, this is my palette, which is completely different from what my teacher wants, but I prefer to do it my way.
Feel like falling deeper Cold nights 난 너무 싫어 기다리기에는 너무 길어 줬던 내 사랑이 식어 기대만 하는 것도 난 힘들어 No I can't, just can't 가져 내 맘을 놔줘 내 가슴을 다 바쳐 사랑하기에 내 자신이 너무 걱정될 바보 같은 생각이야 알아 멍청해 상상만으로도 좋은 상상만으로도 힘든 이중적인 면을 가지고 있어 사랑이라는 걸 Baby can't you come with me 색깔 상상만으로도 좋은 상상만으로도 힘든 이질적인 연애를 가지고 있어 사랑이란 걸 Baby can't you
Hello everyone, I am back. So I haven't vlogged in over a week. I feel like I just wasn't feeling both physically and mentally well. But yeah, now I'm back because I feel like it's not really getting any better. So I think I'm just gonna name this vlog Trying to Get My Life Together, but it's just not working. I don't know what footage I have for this vlog. I feel like I have been trying to vlog as a mean to try and like get my life together, but it's not really working, so I don't really know what footage I have for this vlog. Okay, so I'm sat down here because I want to do a little unboxing with you guys. I did a little shopping on Yesstyle with my own money, and I received this package like over a week ago, but I haven't opened it because I wanted to film this unboxing with you guys. I mean, it has been a long time since I shopped for beauty products, and I feel like it has also been a long time since, you know, I've talked about beauty products on this channel with you guys, so I thought, you know, it'd be nice to take a look at what I got. Okay, so there isn't a lot of stuff because I mean I don't need a lot of stuff. I basically just got what I need and what I wanted to try. Okay, so first we have a calming foam cleanser with salicylic acid and centella from Cosrx. So yeah, I wanted to try this because I was looking for a foam cleanser and I've never tried this. It's from their AC collection, which is for acne prone skin, so I felt like it will be suitable for me. My skin has been doing really well, to be honest, apart from this huge spot that I've had for like 2 weeks. It's recovering, but I feel like the rest of my skin has been looking really well, and I think it's because I've started to use the Yesstyle Mandelic Acid toner again. I feel like it really helped, but yeah, I'm gonna try this. Next, we've got the Unure Daily Care Fresh sunscreen. This is my favorite sunscreen that I mentioned in my last collective sunscreen review video. I decided to repurchase it because I just feel like it's so value for money and it lasts a long time, so I don't have to keep on repurchasing sunscreen. So I decided to go for this one again. I think it's our cushion foundation. Yeah, I don't know why I got this. This is the Moonshot Micro Calming Fit Cushion in the shade 201. I think because I've been going back to the office a lot, so I've been wearing makeup a lot more often now, and especially cushion foundations, because you know it's just so easy to use. So yeah, I just decided to try it, I guess, because it's one of the first few cushion foundations that comes up on Yesstyle. Recently I started using the Jeongsemul Star Sealer foundation again, and it is one of my favorite foundations, and going back to it really sort of confirms my love for it. I feel like the finish just looks so good, so natural. The concealer is not that great, but I feel like it doesn't really matter because the foundation itself is so good, and it's just handy to have like the concealer with it, so you don't really need to buy 2 different products. Next, I have a blush which has been sitting in my Yesstyle cart for like the longest time ever, so when I checked out I decided to just get it along with the rest of the products. So this is the Peri Para Pure Blush Sunshine Cheek in the shade Rose. Oh, it's so cute. It says, "It's okay, you already shine." That's so cute. It's actually more of a corally shade, I feel like. I have been using blush a lot. I think the current one I'm using is also from Peri Para. I feel like it makes a lot of difference. Makes me look alive. Final product. Ooh, nice. Anyways, this is the Purito Oat in Calming Gel Cream that contains oat and pentanol, which is vitamin B5. Soothes and calms skin, provides refreshing hydration for sensitive skin. Wow, it feels really nice. I think this is like, oh yeah. So the material is actually made up of paper. So it uses 58% less plastic, and you can recycle the cap. So this is fragrance-free, essential oils-free, and alcohol-free. I'm gonna share with you guys the current moisturizer I'm using. Hold up. So I've been using these two products in my routine. To be honest, I really can't remember when I started using them, but I feel like I've been using them for a very long time. So I use the serum only at night, and then I use the moisturizer for both day and night. So this is the Waterful Moisture Cream, and it says here that it is suitable for dry and sensitive skin. I have oily, acne prone, and slightly sensitive skin, but I feel like it works great for me. I never find that this is too heavy for me. The texture is really pleasant and lightweight. This premium serum is also super duper lightweight, which is why I use it every single night without fail. I think it's very moisturizing because I do use BHA every single day, and also different at night. I feel like this really helps keep my skin's barrier healthy and strong. So I just wanted to give these two products a little shout out because I haven't heard a lot of people talk about this brand, but I have been enjoying these two products. So you can check them out if you're interested. I will link them in the description box. And once again, I was not told to like talk about these products. They just sent it to me for me to try, but because I really like them, I thought I would just introduce them to you guys. So a little update on my art school. I'm only left with 2 lessons. So the course I'm taking right now, it's oil painting for level 1, and they actually have level 2 available for enrollment right now, but unfortunately I don't think I will be signing up, even though I have been enjoying my art classes. I feel like it just takes a lot of effort to go to class after work, and it ends at a very late hour. Also, recently I realized that I haven't been doing very well in class, and I think it's because of the expectations of my teacher, and also probably like the pressure that, you know, I have to follow everything that he says. So I feel kind of restricted, and I really noticed that every time he steps out of the class, I feel less stressed. So yeah, I'm sure you guys know, before I started going to art school, I've already started painting, and I feel like through my own experience, I've already developed a preference of how I like to do my painting. So like in class, he always wants us to make like a color wheel on our palette, and this is to help us find the right color and learn how to mix colors. But I feel like I have a lot of experience mixing colors because I've done so many paintings, and also I have watched a lot of color theory videos on my own, so I have studied, you know, colors, and therefore I feel like it's the reason why I am so unwilling to make like a freaking color wheel on my palette every time, because I feel like it's such a waste of paint when I know exactly what color I should mix.